Mathematics translates words to diagrams and symbols. So here are some English words depicting a scenario. John ate half of a cake and Jill ate 1/3 of the cake. How much of the cake is left? So in this two-sentence paragraph, there are some keywords or important words in mathematics. And any word that's important in mathematics has its symbol to facilitate mathematical translation. For example, the word half has its mathematical symbol. The word and is an important word in mathematics, especially in algebra and arithmetic. It has its symbol for translation. 1/3 is another important word in mathematics. It has its translation symbol also. So here we're going to translate these important keywords to mathematical symbols. A half, the symbol for a half is here. Here it is, 1/2. 1/2, you can also say a half whenever you see 1/2, 1/2. And is an important word in mathematics. We're going to get the symbol in a while. And 1/3, the symbol for 1/3 is 1/3. So 1/2 and 1/3 is the same as 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay, the symbol for and in arithmetic is the plus sign. Okay, so 1/2 and 1/3 is the same as a half plus a third. Now, we need to find how much of the cake is left after John ate 1/2 and Jill ate 1/3. So we have 1/2, which is 1/2, and 1/3, which is 1/3. So we need a number, specifically a multiple, such that groups of 2 and groups of 3 can be obtained from it. At least 3 groups of 2 or 2 groups of 3. 3 groups of 2 would be like that. That's 1 group of 2. That's 2 groups of 2. That's 3 groups of 2. That's 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay. This is the same as, in value, 2 groups of 3. 1 group of 3 and 2 groups of 3. That's 6 also. So we're looking for the number 6. That's the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So in the number 6, you can get 3 groups of 2, and you can also get 2 groups of 3. So here now, we know that mathematics also translates words to diagrams. So the word cake, okay? Cake is not an important word in mathematics, so therefore a diagram is drawn to represent cake, okay? So we going to slice the cake into 6 equal slices because we want groups of 2s and groups of 3s. Okay, bear in mind we want to find out how much cake is left, what fraction of the cake was left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal slices. This cake was separated into 6 equal slices. Now, John ate a half, so a half would be 3 out of 6. Okay, 3 out of 6 would be a half. Because if you have 6 equal slices, half of that would be 3. Okay, and it would bring you right here. From here, this green rectangle with the red borderline shows you the quantity of a half, which is 1, 2, 3 out of 6. Okay, so 3 out of 6 is the same as a half, or we can say a half is the same as 3 out of 6. Okay, so that is what John ate. Now Jill ate 1/3. So a third would be like slicing this cake into 3 equal slices, and 1 out of 3 will be a third. So this blue rectangle here depicts a third. Okay, so you have 1/3, and you have 2/3 and 3/3. Okay, so we can clearly see that 1/3 is the same as 2 out of 6. Look at it, 1, 2 out of 6 would give you 1 out of 3. Okay, so 1/3, that's blue rectangle, that's this blue rectangle there, is equal to 2 out of 6. 1/3 is the same as 2 out of 6. So John ate a half, which is 3 out of 6. Jill ate 1/3, which is 2 out of 6. So how much is left? Remember, 3/6 and 2/6 will give you 5/6. Okay, remember 6, we can look at 6 as a noun. So like it's saying 2 books plus 3 books is 5 books. So 2/6 plus 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/6. And here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can even put this right there. Okay, we can put this 1/3 here. Okay, and this will be a 1/6. All right, this we don't really need that. To make it a little clearer. All right, we can even already delete this. So this is a half, which is 3/6, and this is 1/3. Okay, 1/3, as you see, 1/3 is the same as 2/6. Okay, so 3/6 plus 2/6 will give you 5/6, and what is left now is 1/6. As you can clearly see, 1/6 is left because we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6 is left. Okay, so just remember that 2 out of 3 is the same as 1 out of 3 is the same as 2 out of 6. Okay, 1 out of 3 is the same as 2 out of 6. And 1 out of 3 is Jill. So that's 2/6. And a half is the same as 3 out of 6. That's John. So 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/6. And what is left now is 1/6 right there. Okay. So 1/6 of the cake is left. So let's just cover this 1/3, which is 2/6. And as you can see, 1/6 is left.